Hi everyone. I am telling story about five friends. Once upon a time there were five friends. One day they all are fighting. The point finger said, I am the best because I can teach and point everything. The middle finger said, no, I am the best because I am the tallest one. The ring finger said, no, no, I am the best because I have a ring. The little finger said, no, 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 I am the best because when we pray, I come first. Again, they all are fighting. The thumb finger said, stop fighting, stop fighting. Can you write without me? Can you open and close without me? The all finger said, no, you are the best. The thumb finger said, alone we are nothing, but together we can do everything. Once again, the thumb finger said, alone we are nothing, but together we can do everything. The moral of the story is unity is strength. Thank you. Bye bye.